Access to energy is one of the 18 Sustainable Development Goals. For Sierra Leoneans, domestic energy consumption is in the kitchen, where most energy is obtained from charcoal. It is widely stated that 85% of cooking in Sierra Leone is done with firewood and charcoal, which values the trade in charcoal at a surprising 30 billion leones per month. Until the availability of electricity and gas will alleviate the dependency on wood and charcoal, it will be difficult to rule out the use of biomass. It is this reality that has prompted the United Nations Development Programme to seek ways in which this form of energy could be made sustainable by the middle of this century. In theory, sustainable charcoal production is possible if forests are well managed and if energy derived from trees is designated for that purpose in the form of woodlots. This type of cultivation makes it no longer necessary to cut down the forest for wood. Also, the maximization of the wood is key to sustainability. This is achieved by reducing the amount of waste associated with the use of charcoal and firewood, and also by utilizing the most efficient methods to produce and cook with charcoal. Already there is widespread use of the wonder stove, which is insulated with clay to reduce the rate of consumption of charcoal. But improving the way how charcoal is produced is also necessary to minimize the need to cut down trees. The Government Technical Institute Renewable Energy Center has been charged with the responsibility of spreading the word about sustainable charcoal production by demonstrating ways to reduce the impact of its use on the environment. This kiln is a device that can enable household charcoal to be produced in a few hours using scraps of wood and other wood waste. Here at Mashaka, the participants include career charcoal burners, farmers' cooperative members, multi-produce gardeners, builders, youth, community, and women's representatives who were present to learn two key messages for use and production. The first key message is that charcoal can be used sustainably if the wood is coming from certified sources such as woodlots or wood waste material. Secondly, charcoal production can be made more efficient if basic design principles are used to reduce waste at household and even industrial scales of production. Lecturers at the Government Technical Institute are still on the road demonstrating the link between deforestation and charcoal production to educate local communities about the new methods.